Okay, cut all that out. Cut out that story. This part is wrong. Okay. Okay. This should be the position of... Yeah, exactly. Okay, does this work? I haven't tested this. I just wrote it and then started recording a video. Okay, that's all still working fine. If I put a thingamabob here... Oh my god. Wow. Envelope point snapping. It's finally here, guys. It's finally happening. Yeah, it's not the visualization doesn't disappear yet because I haven't made it do that. There we go. Right, so this should only happen if this is checked. Currently it always happens. And I need to make the visualization disappear. How do I do that? Drag active. Let's just go beam, apply. Like that. Yeah, I need to test if it works with a squashed block, which I technically wrote the code to make it work, but I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't. Okay, so if I squash this down like that, does it still work? Holy crap. Stretch it out. It wasn't so hard in the end. Okay, so envelope points, they can snap to tempo guides. So currently I have checkboxes for what are the things that can snap, but not for what are the things that other things can snap to. So at the moment, the only things that can be snapped to are the edges of blocks and tempo guides. So the edges of blocks can be snapped to as well. And the cursor can also snap to the edges of things, so that works with the block brush. And it works with slicing as well. So you can do these precise slices really easily now. Warp markers. Yeah, I need to make this only happen when that is checked. This is dead code now. Snap. If config of points snap. So obviously what people are going to ask for is the ability to have envelope points snap to other envelope points, which they currently do not. No, they're still snapping. Did I not connect that up? Yeah, I did. Oh, that's the cursor. Yeah, it's not actually snapping, it's just showing the that shouldn't happen. Or should it? No, yeah, it should. Wow. How do I make that not happen? That's really annoying. that's annoying to... I would have to go through basically the bit where I do the cursor snapping, which is in here. I would have to check, add another check here to say, are we currently dragging a point on an envelope editor? And if so, then don't do this. I don't currently have any easy way to check that. Or do I? The only way to do it right now is to iterate through every block instance on the screen that is visible on the screen. Look at any that currently have open envelope editors and check if a point is being dragged on any of them. And I could do that. It's not hard, it's just a bit... Just seems a bit much to be doing every time the cursor moves. So instead of that, I will just add a bool to the model. Or a flag. Alright, let's do a thing here called something like global flags. Not really global. Let's just call it flags. Currently editing an envelope. We can set this if a segment is being edited as well, I guess. Okay. I have no set flag. I write. So go in here. Point drag active. Point drag active. Segment value drag active. Okay, B, apply. This or that one. Same thing here. Same thing here. Then I'll just check that boolean in here. Oh. Now what? Oh, I forgot to add this. I went for a walk, a nice walk down a country road earlier, and a man drove past in his car and yelled at me out the window, and called me a gay cunt. And I was wearing a pink shirt at the time, so I guess I deserved it. So that's my funny anecdote for the day. I could clearly see he was in his 40s as well, and somehow yet to transcend the school bully archetype. Good luck to him. It's very impressive. Come on, Linker. Okay. So now, now the cursor guide, the cursor indicator doesn't show up if I'm dragging. That's good. And if I'm editing this also, as soon as I stop, it appears again. Cool, it's all coming together. Yeah, obviously what everyone's going to ask for is the ability to make envelope points snap to other envelope points. I think that was originally what people were asking for, or maybe they just wanted it to snap to the Sempo guides. Yeah. Which they now do. I guess everything's working. Should I sort out walk markers then? Yes. I need to fix the visuals on the warp markers as well, because it doesn't look very good. It never has looked very good. I don't know if I'm going to do that now though. So let's do this now. the optimizable, turn that into a nice mathematical expression. Warp editor input. How does all this work? Active, drag active, active, drag. Okay. Sculpted position. Yeah, this is all wrong. One of the things I did before I start recording was fix the way I do these calculations. I should have really put this into like a reusable library. Yeah, these two functions right here, I guess, and this. I'd have to eliminate this argument, which is already not needed here. N. Oh, it's not needed here either. Oh, it's already eliminated, I think. I need to put this in a library. As usual, naming is an issue. What do I call it? I don't know. That's just... Oh, I hate that bug. It's so stupid. Did that create a file? No. Oh, there we go. Mouse pos. Mouse pos. That's what I'm going to call it. Mouse pos. These three functions. Okay, now let's see. Okay, marker at. Oh, this bit's fine. I guess I should reuse this for both the envelope editor and the warp markers. Just call it editor point. I could do this for the chord editors as well, and the step editor. Okay, so marker drag, pixel pos, target pixel pos. What is this doing? No, can't do it like this. Target pixel pos is market pixel pos. Yeah. Width of the front plate. Target pixel pos. Pixel pos. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, actually. Marker drag. Pause. Plus diff. Okay, I don't understand this code. That's okay, we don't need to understand it, probably. Diff. Pixel pose plus pixel diff. Okay, I understand. Yeah, I can't do it like that, can I? I cannot do it like that. So that's not how the envelope editor works. Who wrote this code? Some kind of gay cunt. I need to convert the pixel position back to a song position so that I can do the snapping, then convert it back to a block position. So this is a block pixel position, or block screen position I should call it. So block screen position. Then we clamp it to, oh, that's a float. Then we change it to an int, which is not necessary. Pause. I'll keep this bit the same. Block screen pause. Block screen pause, okay. This is now a float. Block screen pause. Okay, now then. Song pause to block pause. Okay, so block screen pause to song pause, yeah. What's it done here? Nothing good. Block screen pause to song pause. Okay, so I need this. View. Let's get the rect of this. No, don't want that actually. How do I do this? I'm not sure. I don't understand maths. That's the issue here. View. Screen to song. Basis screen to song. View. Block. Screen. Pause. What does that do? Well, right, and then I subtract the song pause equals this. Is that minus? So So static cast this to an int 32, subtract that. This should return an int 32. Is that it? I don't know. What's the problem? Basis screen song, like us to song, subtract the position. I think that makes sense. It's not taking into account squashing, but it shouldn't. Or should it? Is it supposed to take into account squash? At this point. Hold on. Can I just go block screen pause to block pause? And then I would go block pause to screen pause, whatever that would be. I mean block pause to song pause. Those are my building blocks. I don't know how to implement them yet, but block screen pause to block pause. So that is just that. Do I have to take into account the scale and the data offset at this point? I find this stuff so difficult. What is this going to give me? This is just... That does make sense, I think. Right, and then to get from block pause to song pause. What is that doing? That doesn't even make sense. Blog pause to song pause. Wait, this is this a float? Yeah, see this, the blog pause has to be a float. Float. I don't know why it keeps saying that. So to get from here to a song pause. Pause. Then we static cast there. So we subtract the block instance pause, multiply the scale, subtract the data offset. That doesn't make sense. It should be going the other way around. Right? But then this doesn't make sense. None of this makes sense. I don't understand maths. I don't understand. This is just the inversion of this. So what is meant to happen here? The screen position to the block position. Screen to song. Screen to song. Oh, right. Okay, it's easy. The song screen pause is the song screen pause. is um, book screen pause to song screen pause. How does that work? If once I get the song screen pause, then I can just do no, not that. Song pause equals screen to song. And then I return song pause to block pause. So what has it done here? Block screen pause to song screen pause. None of this is right. Block screen pause, this should be called just screen pause. This is literally just, we get the rect, pixel rect, turn, block screen pause minus rect position X. Like that. Right, that's probably all wrong. Did I break the envelope editor during all that? I'm not sure. But I think that gives me the building blocks to use for this. So I need to go song pause, mouse pause, block screens pause to song pause. I don't have that one. Block screens. I need block screen pause to song pause. If you book screen pause. Why is it complaining about this? It's not. It's just getting confused. Okay. If can't remember what it's called. Warp snap. Why is it complaining about this? Right, so what do you mean pause? Oh, right. Just get rid of all this. It's going to be similar to this. Screen Y. Oh, that's not right. What am I doing? Screen Y is the ref view front plate root. This. Okay, now we go back from a song pause to a block pause. Block pause. Song pause to block pause. Don't need that. Now we can go auto pause. Yeah, sure. Sculpted pause. Shit, we need the scale. There's no way this is going to work. Pretty sure it's not going to. Get sculpted position. Block ID. The block. View offset. So we do that, then we get the warp data and update it. Sculpted pause. There's no way this works. Because I had no idea what the fuck I was doing all the way through. Blink plugin index block. Oh, this actually wants a gin. Gin block. Maybe not. Get blink plugin index. How does that even work? Okay, I take it back. Block pause is a float, but it expects an int block position. Just cast it. Shouldn't really be an int, but there's no way this works. So does it with... Oh my god, it completely broke. Okay. So block screen pause to song pause. First of all, let's see. Block screen pause 222. Screen pause 222. So it's 222 pixels from the left of the block. That should be what that means. Song pause 22. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know if that's right or not. Hold on. Let's go back to here. Where is 0? There's 0 there. Let's put it as 0. And then well, first of all, okay. So this looks look right. Minus 63368. That is not right. That can't be right. It's impossible for that to be right. So this function is wrong. Block screen pause to song pause. One 7 4. Block screen pause to screen pause. We get the rect. Position X. Block screen pause. Is this the wrong way round? I should add them, right? Yeah, I add them. Don't subtract. Okay. That is all working fine. Whoops. Ooh. A completely unrelated bug. Trip block lane. What's happening? it's doing a sample override, but it's also dropping it on a lane. Interesting. Can I reproduce that easily? So I inserted a lane underneath it, and then I went like this. Ooh. We'll fix that later. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I don't believe it. What? Oh my god. It just works? There's no way. Let me squash it or stretch it. Does it still work? Nah, that breaks it. Okay. It's progress though. I'm done for the evening. I'm gonna go play Satisfactory with my friend. If he's still on.